you been? Good.
Hey, we missed you.
You guys too. What's up?
What's up?
How's it going?
Hi.
Good to see you guys.
Can you get in there and show these losers how to skate the park?
Okay.
Whoa, who are you calling a loser?
I'll see you do it.
I don't know. What would you do?
I mean, I wouldn't be a fucktard. You already know they're watching the warehouse.
Yeah, but at this point, what option do I have?
You have so many, you're just too comfortable skating by to notice.
That's sick, dog.
Thanks, man.
Hey, word on the street is Paul's having a party tonight. Is that true?
Yeah. Kim, can you grab him a flyer out of my bag?
Cool.
Is that Morgan Davis? Morgan's not that hot.
This is the bitch who looks like she got stuck in a toaster.
Tell us about you bottle blonde.
Oh shit, that is Morgan. Yo, whatever happened to her?
I ran into her on a delivery today.
Did you invite her to the party?
Nah, she's headed back to Texas tomorrow.
All right, what does tomorrow have to do with tonight?
It just doesn't seem like it's worth the trouble.
Dude, it's Y2K. There won't even be a tomorrow, okay? Should call her, bro.
I don't know. I think I'm just gonna head home.
Dude, either you call her or I'm breaking your busted ass board.
Dude, fuck you.
Dude, call her or I'm busting this shit.
Yeah, Lucky, don't be a little bitch.
Yeah, don't be a bitch. Yeah,
Don't be a bitch.
Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch.
Don't be a bitch.
I hate all you guys.
I'm gonna call her.
Fine.
Strong man.
Fuck you guys. Don't listen. Fuck you guys.
He's gonna choke.
I have to fucking film this for my fail reel.
Get it.
Can we go back to the warehouse now?
Yeah, I actually have something to give you.
Yeah, sure. Let's do that. Yo, party people, we're having a fun day in the sun.
Do you ever shut up?
Oh, she got hotter.
Hey, fuck you. But, yeah, she did.
Can you guys please not fuck this up for me?
Do you have any idea what he's talking about?
No clue.
Yes.
What's up, Morgan Schmorgan?
Hey, Morgan. Did you know that Lucky has a sketchbook filled with drawings of you?
What?
She's kidding.
No, I'm not. It's super creepy, but like serial killer sweet creepy.
Please put on some music so we don't have to listen to your bullshit.
Here, give it to me. I'm the only one qualified to pick out the good music here.
Please just don't play that new metal garbage.
Hey, how dare you insult the music of my people?
Your people. You grew up in the hills. Stop trying to appropriate my trailer trash culture, you fuck.
Built dirty, not free.
Yo, you guys want to go swimming at my buddy Dylan's pad?
Dylan?
Yeah.
Dylan?
Yeah. You remember Dylan from high school?
Dylan from high school. Yeah, I think I fucked him.
That doesn't narrow it down.
Fuck you.
You bitches in? Huh? Huh?
Let's go.
Doesn't look like anyone's home.
Well, Dylan asked me to stop by and check on the place while he's skiing with the fam. Fuck. Dylan forgot to leave the gate open.
That sounds like Dylan. He forgot to call me back when I blew him.
He didn't forget.
Why don't you just call him?
Because he won't answer. I mean, he's up in the mountains skiing and there's no reception up there. And I mean, we could hop the fence. It's cool. All right. Let's
Hop
do it.
on you.
Oh my God, you little slut. Get out of here.
Okay, go.
Come on, people. We're gonna do some swimming. All right. Come on. This is all ours.
There's no way I'm getting in. It's fucking December.
It's heated.
It actually is. How'd you know it's heated?
Come here all the time.
Oh yeah? With who?
With Dylan.
Fuck you. I'm not gonna get in.
Let me see
No,
that.
I don't trust you. No.
Come on. I just want Lucky to film how sexy you are. Look at this woman.
Stop. Oh my god.
Look at this sexy woman. Look at this body. Good Lord. You look like a sexy sack of apples.
A sack of apples?
I don't know. I'm hungry and I'm just trying to say you look sexy, baby. The camera loves you.
Robby, no, I swear to God, no.